مصلحا ومجددا فارنوا بنظر طاهر وجناني.
These days, these people are spreading, through the TV channel they have. They are the first people to have this type of TV channel and call themselves Muslim channel. Maaf karna Maulana Sahab, their channel has been, spreading this film for me over 25 years. Why? I remember once my Sasuma Marhuma, my mother-in-law, Marhuma, told me once that she went to someone's house in Preston to meet them, to sit with them. And the TV was on, and there was this Maulana with a great big pagdi, with a white thing sticking up there, and he was giving a speech. So Sasuma said, "What is this you're doing?" He said, "This is very nice. This Maulana Sahib gives very nice speech. Khutbah it comes and we listen to his speech." He said, "This is very nice. This Maulana Sahib gives very nice speech. Khutbah it comes and we listen to his speech." And my mother-in-law said, "This is Qadianis. He is Mirza Tahir Qadiani. He is a kafir." Said, no, he can't be kafir. He talks about Quran and Hadith. Said, no, he can't be kafir. He talks about Quran and Hadith. Now here in Preston, our Gujarati lady was confused and she was thinking that this is a great Maulana. He's talking Quran and Hadith, whereas he was Mirza Tahir Qadiani.
If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notifications for every new video. Also make sure to like and comment on the video and follow on Twitter and Instagram.
نبينا صل على محمد صل على سفينا صل على محمد